Okay, hi everybody. I know we have had some frustrations with Teams and now Khan Academy, so I have myself been trying to figure out exactly what the problem is, and I figured out what you need to do in order to add my class. So watch this video, follow along with me, rewatch it as many times as you need, and also know that I'm not going to hold any late assignments against anybody this first couple of weeks while we figure all of this stuff out. So please do not stress. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. So you are in your Teams. You're going to click on the period that you're in. Right? You're going to go up here to assignments. Hang on. I am on my laptop, so it's not configured the same way. Okay. So I'm going to go to assignments. And once that loads, we're going to go to assignment number 2 in this case. Okay. This is what you're going to see, which is your instructions. Go to khanacademy.org. Log in with the same login as you do for Mr. Scholl's class. Okay, so he gave you that login. Mr. Scholl's in his class gave you, he added you to that class. So however you're getting into Khan Academy for Mr. Scholl's class, for math class, that's what I want you to do. Go and get into Khan Academy just like as if you were going to do Mr. Scholl's assignment, which he has you doing, okay? You're going to add the class code. This is where everybody's getting hung up because I didn't quite realize the instructions that I needed to give you, okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to copy, Control-C, right? You're going to copy your class code, or if you want to, write it down on a piece of paper, okay? And then you're going to go over here to Khan Academy, okay? khanacademy.org. You're going to log in. Okay, so you're going to log in your normal way that you would for Mr. Scholl's class. So I'm going to do my fake account that I just made for myself as a student just to show you what it is I need you to do. Okay, so I'm logging in there. And here's my student dashboard. And what yours should pop up with is, yeah, you're going to have your 8th grade math from Mr. Scholl's on there. You're not going to see this yet, so just never mind that. What you're going to do is you're going to go down here to teachers on the left-hand side. So don't touch anything in your courses. Don't go to edit courses or anything like that. Do not do that. Go down here where it says teachers. Click on teachers. Here is where it's going to list, and it's supposed to list your different classes. If it'll work. There we go. So it should come up with a thing that says join an existing class. That's where you're going to put your class code in. Okay, so you're going to click on this, enter class code, and now you're going to enter the class code that I gave you. Okay, so you can paste it in there, you can type it in there, whatever you need to do. Hit continue, and then it's going to double check. Are you joining Callahan second period, right? I am trying to join that, or whatever your period is. Make sure it's the right one. Okay, so you're going to hit that. Once it goes through, you will then see my class in your dashboard right alongside of Mr. Scholl's class. So once this loads, I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, so now you can go to courses. Okay, so now you should see U.S. history. And what I want you to do, instead of hitting start, that's going to start you from the beginning. Do not hit start. Go down here where it says Civil War era, because that's where we're starting. I'm going to click on Civil War era, and then you're still going to go down quite a ways, because we already covered all this stuff last year. You're going to go all the way down here to the beginning of the Civil War, and then you're going to watch these two videos, Strategies of the Civil War and Early Phases of Civil War and Antietam. Okay, once you're done watching both of those, then you can complete the rest of your assignment over here in Teams. Okay, so that's where you're going to continue filling out your KWL sheet. If you have it done on paper, you may do so, and then you're just going to take a picture of that and upload it to Turnitin rather than filling out the Word document. Okay, so it's up to you. You can either do it on paper, take a picture of it, turn it in, or you can fill out the attached KWL Word document that I gave you. It's up to you. Okay, so hopefully that clears things up on how you're going to add my class onto your already existing Khan Academy. Okay, if you need to watch this video again, go ahead and do that. And if you still have questions or problems after that, go ahead and email me at ian.callahan@washowschools.net. All right, thanks so much. See you in class soon. Bye-bye.